Attention! All hints and tips shown here are personal experiences and serve as support. The repair is at your own risk. All repairing tools used by us in the video can be found on our webshop stellartech.com. Just follow the links in the video description. Since the battery cover, as well as the LCD screen and the battery are very strongly glued, this repair can only be recommended for people with advanced experience in smartphone repair. In addition, many small components have to be transferred from the old display to the new one during the course of the repair. Without experience in dealing with these parts, the risk of causing damage increases. Please write us in the comments on how difficult you felt the repair. Removing the back cover. Power off the device. Remove the SIM card tray, for example with the help of a paper clip. Heat the back cover along its edges with the hot air gun. Alternatively, you can use a conventional hairdryer. Fix the suction cup in the middle of the back cover. Try to slide the plectrum tool between back cover and LCD frame while simultaneously pulling on the suction cup. Depending on how strong the back cover is glued, you will maybe not succeed with the first try. Heat again and again and keep on trying. Remove the suction cup while heating, otherwise it will melt. As soon as you succeed, you can let the plectrum tool stick in and use it as a placeholder. Heat the back cover again and again and pull the plectrum tool once around between back cover and LCD frame to release the adhesive. It could be helpful to use a second plectrum or a spudger additionally. As soon as the adhesive is released completely, you can remove the back cover. Removing the antennas. Release 12 screws cross and remove them with the help of the tweezer. Put the screws well sorted aside. First, remove the upper antenna with the help of the spudger. Then release the lower antenna simultaneously with the NFC antenna and remove both. Removing components from the LCD screen unit that must be transferred to the new display frame. Release all connectors from the mainboard by using the spudger. Remove the mainboard carefully. Release the battery connector. Remove 3 screws cross from the lower mainboard. Release the earphone jack with the help of the spudger and remove it. Heat the vibra slightly and remove it with the help of the spudger and the tweezer. Heat the sensor flex slightly and remove it carefully. Do also remove the speaker module carefully. Removing the battery. Heat the battery carefully from the front side of the LCD screen. Use a thin plastic tool, for example a shortened chip card, as well as a spudger to lever out the battery step by step. As soon as the adhesive is released completely, you can remove the battery. Separating the LCD screen from the display frame. Heat the screen from the front side along its edges. Raise up the screen carefully from the display frame by pushing the spudger against the screen from the back side. Slide the plectrum tool between screen and frame and pull it once around the whole screen to release the adhesive. Attention! If the display is splintered, you should be extremely careful and, if necessary, wear protective goggles to protect your eyes from glass splinters. If needed, you can use additionally a spudger to release the adhesive. Once the adhesive is released completely, you can remove the screen. Remove the heat protection from the display frame. If any glass splinters stick to the frame, they must also be removed. It is best to briefly heat the glass fragments. Removing the home button flex and the lower mainboard from the display frame. Heat the home button flex as well as the touch keys slightly. Remove the touch keys with the help of the plectrum tool and the tweezer. Heat the home button flex again. Then remove first the covering of the home button and then the whole home button flex with a tweezer. Remove the adhesive residue from the home button covering. Heat the lower mainboard slightly and remove it with the help of the spudger. Attention! You have to thread the touch keys through the display frame when removing the lower mainboard. Testing the new LCD screen for functionality. Connect the mainboard and lay it down loosen on the screen. Connect the power button flex to the mainboard. Do also lay down the battery loosen on the mainboard and connect it. Power on the LCD screen and test it for functionality. Then remove the components again: mainboard, battery and power button flex. Transferring components to the new LCD screen unit. Insert the lower mainboard into the display frame and thread the touch keys through the frame. Hint: for fixing the touch keys, you can use the original adhesive foil, available on our webshop with the item number 823459, as well as double-faced universal adhesive, like we did. Cut 4 narrow strips of the double-faced universal adhesive and fix them on the touch keys. Cut 2 more narrow strips of the universal adhesive and stick them under the touch keys to fix these. Remove the protective foil from the home button notch on the display frame. Thread the home button flex through the display frame and adjust the home button module on the notch. Fixing the LCD screen on the display frame. Hint: we suggest using the original adhesive foil for the screen of the Galaxy S7 for fixing the LCD screen on the display frame. Remove the protective foil from the display adhesive. Adjust the adhesive on the edge of the screen and fix it by pushing once around, for example with the help of the spudger. Do also remove the protective foil from the front side of the adhesive. There is also another protective foil on the display frame that must be removed. Now you can remove the last protective foil from the screen adhesive. Then hold the screen on the display frame and thread the LCD flex cable through it. Adjust the screen by orientating on the home button and start below with fixing it on the frame. Transferring further components to the new LCD screen unit. Insert the earphone jack and push it slightly until it is locked in. Link the connector of the earphone jack to the lower mainboard. Remove the speaker module protective foil from the display frame. Remove the adhesive residuals from the speaker module, insert the module and push it slightly. Fix 3 screws cross on the lower mainboard. Remove 1 protective foil from the display frame. Insert the sensor flex and push it slightly with the spudger. Remove 2 more protective foils. Connect the mainboard with the lower mainboard and lay it down to the display frame. Thread the antenna cable into the display frame by using the tweezer and link the connectors. Insert the lower antenna and push it slightly until it is locked in completely. Insert and connect the vibra. Then adjust the mainboard, push it carefully and link the connectors. Fixing the battery. Hint: new display frames usually still include adhesive foil for the battery. If you do not use a new frame, you can also fix the battery alternatively with double-faced universal adhesive or with the original battery adhesive for the Galaxy S7. Remove the protective foil from the display frame. Hold the battery on the display frame and link the battery connector. Adjust and fix the battery by pushing it solid. Fixing the antennas. Insert and fix the NFC antenna. Do also insert and fix the upper antenna module. Fix 12 screws cross. Insert the SIM card tray. Closing the device. Hint: if you use a new battery cover like we did, then you do not need a separate adhesive because new battery covers are usually equipped with adhesive. If you do not use a new cover, we suggest using the original battery cover adhesive for the Galaxy S7. Remove the protective foils from the adhesive on the battery cover. Start above with laying down the battery cover on the display frame and adjust it on the camera. Push the battery cover solid once around with the cloth. we've made 2 more Galaxy S7 videos for you that might interest you too. Samsung Galaxy S7 battery replacement. Samsung Galaxy S7 testing display frame, original versus compatible. If you have any questions, suggestions about our video, please leave us a comment. And if you like the video, we are happy about the thumbs up. All shown tools and spare parts can be found on our webshop, stellartech.com.